the Rokon Ranger Dual Sport Edition is a motorcycle designed to conquer a variety of terrains, from paved roads to extreme off-road trails. This time, Rokon brings something different. The bike is finally street legal, making it an attractive choice for those seeking a versatile vehicle. Rokon has been known since 1963 for producing rugged all-terrain motorcycles. While its looks may not match the sleekness of modern trail bikes, Rokon has built a solid reputation for tackling challenging terrains. With its simple design and features like full-time two-wheel drive, the Rokon can traverse trails that even an ATV might struggle to handle. When it comes to performance, the bike is equipped with a 208 cubic centimeters Kohler single-cylinder 4-stroke engine that produces 7 horsepower and a maximum torque of 9.1 foot-pound at 2,800 RPM. While these numbers might sound modest, the combination is enough to get the bike up to 37 miles per hour. With an automatic transmission and 3-speed range selector, this bike is perfect for navigating tough terrain without worrying about managing a clutch. The power isn't bad, noticeably stronger than smaller bikes like the Honda CT70H. However, one aspect that might be less appealing is the steering, which feels quite heavy and less responsive. But for a bike that's built to go anywhere, this shortcoming might be acceptable. The Dual Sport model comes with essential upgrades to meet street-legal regulations. You get a headlight, turn signals, a digital speedometer, a horn, and even mirrors, making it compliant in all 50 US states. The big tires are also DOT approved, adding to the confidence of riding it on the road. That said, this bike isn't about speed or comfort on paved roads. With a price of $10,575, it's better suited for those looking for a tough machine to explore forests, haul heavy loads, or simply enjoy off-road adventures. If you're fine with its limited speed and a design that prioritizes function over aesthetics, this bike could be a compelling choice to awaken your adventurous spirit. In summary, the Rokon Ranger Dual Sport Edition is a unique motorcycle designed for those who truly need a versatile vehicle. With its exceptional durability and off-road capabilities, this bike offers an experience that few others can match.